Welcome to my YouTube channel. Aprilia RSV4, the pinnacle of Italian engineering and performance. Introduction. Since its introduction in 2009, the Aprilia RSV4 has stood out as a paragon of superbike engineering and performance. Crafted by the renowned Italian manufacturer Aprilia, the RSV4 is celebrated for its racing pedigree, cutting-edge technology, and outstanding design. Over the years, it has garnered numerous accolades and has been a favorite among both professional racers and motorcycle enthusiasts. Evolution and history. The Aprilia RSV4 was developed with a singular purpose: to dominate the World Superbike Championship. From its inception, it featured a unique 999.6cc V4 engine, setting it apart from the more conventional inline-4 engines commonly used by competitors. This innovative engine design not only provided exceptional power but also contributed to the bike's distinctive character and sound. Key milestones: 2009, launch of the RSV4 factory and RSV4R, featuring advanced electronics and a powerful V4 engine. 2013, introduction of the APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system, which included traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and quick shift. 2015, major update with increased power output, revised chassis, and improved electronics. 2021, comprehensive redesign with aerodynamic enhancements, updated electronics, and compliance with Euro 5 emissions standards. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV4 is its iconic 65-degree V4 engine. The latest iteration boasts a displacement of 1099 cc, producing an astounding 217 horsepower. This power, coupled with the torque-rich delivery, makes the RSV4 a formidable machine on both the track and the road. The engine's compact size and optimal weight distribution contribute to the bike's exceptional handling and agility. Cutting-edge technology. Aprilia has equipped the RSV4 with a suite of advanced electronics, making it one of the most technologically sophisticated superbikes on the market. Key features include APRC system. The Aprilia Performance Ride Control system offers customizable settings for traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and quick shift, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preferences and riding conditions. Advanced aerodynamics. The latest models feature winglets integrated into the fairing, enhancing stability at high speeds and improving overall aerodynamic efficiency. Cornering ABS. Bosch's advanced cornering ABS system provides optimal braking performance and safety, even when leaning into turns. Full-color TFT display. The intuitive display offers comprehensive information and easy navigation through various settings and modes. Design and ergonomics. The Aprilia RSV4's design is a harmonious blend of form and function. Its aggressive lines and sleek profile not only make a bold visual statement but also contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency. Ergonomically, the RSV4 is designed to offer a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The adjustable footpegs, handlebars, and seat allow riders to find their ideal riding position, whether on the track or during long road rides. Racing heritage. The RSV4's success on the track is a testament to its engineering excellence. It has won multiple World Superbike Championships, with legendary riders such as Max Biaggi showcasing its capabilities. Aprilia's commitment to racing has driven continuous improvements and innovations, ensuring that the RSV4 remains at the forefront of superbike technology and performance. The Aprilia RSV4 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of Italian craftsmanship, innovation, and passion for racing. With its powerful V4 engine, advanced electronics, and striking design, the RSV4 continues to set new standards in the world of superbikes. Whether you're a professional racer or an avid enthusiast, the RSV4 offers an unparalleled riding experience that embodies the very essence of high-performance motorcycling. In a world where technology and tradition often collide, the Aprilia RSV4 stands as a testament to what can be achieved when they are perfectly balanced. This superbike is not just built to ride, it's built to win.